There are all kinds of clinical trials that breast cancer patients can participate in, but a new one at the VCU Massey Cancer Center isn't focused on an experimental drug or treatment.
In this month's Buddy Check 6 report, Reba Hollingsworth explains what this is and how it aims to help women from all kinds of backgrounds.
Linda Ray has been playing the handbell since she was 15 years old. It wasn't that long ago when the Chamberlain Heights United Methodist Church pastor was too weak to play.
They said if I had waited until I felt something, it would have been a whole different diagnosis.
Welcome to worship at the Chamberlain Heights United Methodist Church.
Pastor Ray's routine mammogram in 2019 turned into more screenings and a biopsy. She was diagnosed with stage 1 triple-negative breast cancer, an aggressive form of cancer. She started her treatment at Massey and met her team.
Literally, all the doctors that are going to be on your team just come through the room where you are and say, "This is my specialty."
That process led Pastor Ray being asked to be part of a clinical trial.
This clinical trial had nothing to do with medical procedures or drugs or any of that kind of stuff. It was a qualitative survey about what that intake process was like.
The trial is called Increasing Patients' Engagement in Breast Cancer Surgery Decision-Making. Massey is one of 14 underserved minority sites participating. 86 women in the Richmond area are involved. 32% of them come from underrepresented backgrounds.
How can we improve cancer care for everyone?
Dr. Vanessa Shepard is Massey's lead investigator on this study. She says previous studies have shown racial and ethnic groups, older patients, and those with fewer financial resources may not be informed enough when it comes to making decisions about their cancer surgery. This study walks patients through the process.
It's not the physician just making a recommendation and the patient saying, okay, I'm going to do that, without knowing the why. The long term, what we hope is that patients will have less regret after making their decision.
For her treatment, Pastor Ray had a lumpectomy, chemo, and radiation, which made her feel fatigued. Now she's stronger and cancer-free. And that's good news. Dr. Shepard says they're now analyzing the data from patients like Pastor Ray. The study should be complete within a year.